Hi, this is Bronislava from HandMadeRukodelky. Today I decided to work on espadrilles, and in this video I will show you how to make these soles for these little cute shoes. And then I will have another video where we will be working on the top. For this project I am using Afghan yarn and a hook G. So first we will make a sole that looks just like this, and as you see it's kind of thick, which means that we need to make two pieces. First I will show you how to do one more just like this, and then we will go and put these two together, okay? So make a knot stitch, and now we will make 14 stitches. 14 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so first chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and this counts as a double crochet stitch. And now we need to make 3 double crochet stitches in the same stitch. So into this fourth stitch we make 3 double crochet stitches. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Now along here we will make 12 double crochet stitches. So into each of them we will make 1 double crochet stitch. So make 1 double crochet stitch into each of these stitches, and let me show you. You go into this one, into this chain, into just that one yarn, okay? Because then later on we will go on the other side right here, and we will be picking up the other one, okay? So make 12 of these. This is my third. Four. And this is 11. And 12. And we still have one more left right here. And this is where we will make 7 double crochet stitches into this one, okay? So we will make 1 in the same spot, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4, 5, it's still the same one, 5, 6 again in there, and one more, 7. Okay, and now, like I said before, we will place 1 double crochet into each of these stitches. Okay, so make 12 of those again, and I will put this in between this end. I will crochet around it, so I don't have to weave it in later on. So this is 1 and 2 and 3 double crochet stitches. You see what I'm doing? And continue all the way to the end, almost the end. You need to make 12 of these. 12, 12, and now we will make 3 more double crochet stitches into the first right here where we made our three chain and then 3 double crochet stitches. So again we will have 7 altogether right around here like we did over here. Okay, so 3 more double crochet stitches into this one spot. 1, 2, 3, and now we will connect into the circle, join it. So we will start with chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now we will make that double crochet stitch right there in that spot, in the same spot where the chain 3 is. Double crochet stitch. Now we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each 3 consecutive stitches. So this is 1, 2 double crochet stitch, okay, in the next one 2 double crochet stitches, 2 double crochet stitches, and 1 more and 2 double crochet stitches right there, 1 and 2. Okay, now we need to kind of taper it down, so we will make 5 half double crochet stitches. And half double crochet stitches when you go yarn over, pull yarn through, and pull yarn through all 3 of them. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we need to make 7 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now into 7 stitches. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Into these 7 stitches we make into each stitch 2 single crochet stitches. So we need to do 2 single crochet stitches 7 times into each of these. So this is going to be 1 and 1 more. That's once. 2 single crochet stitches in the next. That will be twice. And 2 single crochet stitches into the next one. That's 3 times. This is going to be 4 times. This is going to be 5 times. And 1, 2, that's 6 times. And one more time. 1, 2. Okay, so we increased by 7 stitches right there and made it nice and flat. Now we need to make 7 single crochet stitches, which means 1 single crochet stitch in each stitch in 7 consecutive stitches, right? So 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet, 6 single crochet, and 7 single crochet. Next, we need to make 5 half double crochet stitches. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we still have 3 more stitches in here that we will do just like we did over here. So in each of them 2 double crochet stitches. Okay, so 2 double crochet stitches in this stitch. This is 1 and 2, and in here again 2 double crochet stitches, 1 and 2, and one more time, 1 and 2, and join and join. Okay, and we're ready to do our last row. Our third row is going to be crochet this way. We need to make 3 chain and double crochet into the same spot. Okay, then we need to make 1 double crochet into the next one right there, and 2 double crochet into next, 1 and 2 in the same spot. And now we will repeat it 2 more times, 1 and 2. Okay, so 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 double crochet stitch and 2 double crochet stitches into the next stitch, 1 and 2, and another 1 and 2 in here, 2 double crochet stitches, 1 and 2 into the next one. And now we will make 6 half double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now we will make 9 single crochet stitches. Into each stitch 1 single crochet stitch 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And after you did 9 single crochet stitches, now we will do 5 times 1 single crochet stitch and 2 single crochet stitches, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, all together 5 times. Okay, so 1 and 2 single crochet stitches in the same spot. That's once. 1 and 2 in here, 2 single crochet stitches right there. That's 2 times. This is 3rd time that we're doing the repetition. 1 and 2. Now 4 times we are gonna do it. This is 4th time that we made 1 and 2. And one more time. This is our 5th time. 1 single crochet stitch and 2 single crochet stitches, 1 and 2. Now we will make 9 single crochet stitches. That means 1 single crochet stitch in each 9 stitches. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, now 6 half double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, one more, 6. And now we have to do just like we did over here, and we finished with 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So we need to do 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1 in there in that. This was actually the slip stitch, but that's okay. We will go and put 1 stitch right there. Okay, so 2 double crochet stitches here, 1 and 2 in the same spot. Now 1 double crochet stitch, 1 double crochet stitch, 2 double crochet stitches, 1 and 2, 1 double crochet stitch here, 1, 2 double crochet stitches in the next, 1 and 2, and last one in this slip stitch. Okay, and we join, and we're finished with our sole. And make a knot in here and cut. Now we have 2 soles, and what we need to do is put them together with the wrong sides, okay, and crochet them all around together. But first what we will do is we will weave in these ends. And also what we will do is when we start crocheting, notice that these ends are not completely lined up, they're a little shifted. That's because, you know, they are they're not with the you see, they're, if you would go and put them on top of each other, not with the wrong side to each other, they would be okay. But if you put them, you know, with the wrong sides together, they are a little bit shifted. So this and this is going to be our starting point, okay? But first let's weave in these ends. My ends are weaved in, and now we will place them like I said before, wrong side to each other, wrong side to wrong side. And now this was my little knot, and over here was my little knot. So we need to pick these 2 stitches between those knots, okay? And we will crochet along this edge. We will crochet to the left. Oops, sorry, I almost knocked down the camera. So what you do is, like, you have that hook placed in there, you pull the yarn through, okay, and this is, we will weave this end later on, and we will just start picking every stitch, this one and this one. Let me see, I don't want to go and skip any stitch. This one here, this stitch where the knot is, okay? So you will again place the hook through those both stitches, pull the yarn through, and then pull it through that stitch. Next stitch, put your yarn through, put yarn through the other stitch of the other sole, pull yarn through, and pull it through the stitch. And again, through the stitch like that, pull it through the stitch. And again, one more time I will show you. Okay, pull it through both stitches and the third stitch that you made. And this is how you will go all around, all the way to the end, okay? And it should look, when you're finished, it should look just like this. Here I am almost at the end. So let's go and finish. Oops. Let's go. I made it a little tight in here because I like to tighten up my last stitches. Okay, and last stitch right here. And so now we just have to finish it so it looks pretty. And we can finish it in here in this spot. Go back again one more time right there. Okay, and we need to cut this yarn off, pull it through, and then pull it back in through this stitch, through the next made stitch. I just want to show you here. Okay, and I just will pull it through so it does not untangle. And let's go back one more stitch here. Let's do that, and let's tie it, make a knot so it does not really untangle. We don't want them to come apart, these soles. So we will make one. Oops, let me go and put my hook down and make a knot. Okay, good. See, you cannot really see it that much, right? Make it nice and tight now, and just weave in the ends, and you know, cut off the ends if I have to. And that's it. Look how beautiful they are, huh? Gorgeous. So these are soles for espadrilles. Our next video is going to be how to add top and the heel to these espadrilles. Okay, and these espadrilles are actually for someone who has about 6.5 to 6 3/4 foot. I appreciate all the comments, sharing with your friends and family. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you another time.